In this video, we will be installing AWID's Rearview mirror tag for use with the LR3000 and LR2000 readers. The Rearview mirror tag has a read range of 20 feet and should only be mounted once on the driver or passenger side of the rearview mirror in direct line of sight of the reader. The tag is black, making it barely visible against most rearview mirrors. Attempting to remove the tag after the adhesive cures may damage it. Once you have identified which side of the mirror you want the tag on, we can begin the installation. Make sure your mirror is free of dirt or dust, then gently peel the tag from the adhesive backing. Position the tag on the flattest section of the rearview mirror as possible. Press firmly on the tag, starting from the middle and working your way outwards, pushing down on the edges. From the outside of the car, the tag is almost invisible. The adhesive will take 24 hours to cure, but the tag is ready to be read right away. For technical support, you can contact AWID at our phone number or visit us at awid.com.